teaching teachers how to take care of themselves and prevent teacher burnout. Who is challenging educational leaders to understand the priority of teacher morale and teacher burnout prevention? Well, I'm one.
I will now pass things over to Chanel.
When we talk about the human spirit, we talk about that willingness to thrive, that willingness to keep going. How can I reignite and improve my spiritual wellness that is going to connect me to my professional wellness and my emotional wellness and my mental wellness?
Showcase in whose image you were made. And remember, my darling, you shine far too brightly to recognize the shade. So you just better kill it. I'm grateful to be in front of you today. I'm grateful to be able to plant a seed in somebody today. I really hope that I am. To plant a seed in you to say, that thing that made you say, I want to be a teacher.